Welcome to RD Home. I am Devinder. In this video, we will discuss class 10th maths trigonometry.
Now you can see here exercise 11.2 question number 1. Evaluate the following. First question, sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 is equal to how much? We need to find it. See, sin 45 plus cos 45. What is the value of sin 45? Already you know that sin 0, 0, sin 30, 1 by 2. Sin 45 1 by root 2. You need to remember all the values sin cos tan, then only we can do these problems, otherwise we can't do even single step also. See here, sin 45 is how much? 1 by root 2. Just you can write here 1 by root 2 plus cos 45 is equal to how much? 1 by root 2 only. Yes or no? Yes. Now you can simplify it. See here, 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. These are like fractions or not? Yes. So that you can add the numerators. See here, 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 by root 2. See here, 1 plus 1 means it is how much? 2. 2 by root 2. It is equal to 2 by root 2. See here, 2 by root 2 means, can you write 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 or not? Yes or no? We can represent as 2 as root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 you will get as root 2 whole square. Yes or no? Yes. For square root will be cancelled. Yes or no? So that I am writing here 2 as root 2 into root 2. Next you can write here root 2 as root 2 only. Next you can simplify here. Root 2 cancel. Your answer will be equal to how much? Root 2 is your answer. You can remember here sin 45 plus cos 45 is equal to root 2. Root 2 is your solution. In the similar way, you can see here second question. Cos 45 by sec 30 plus cosec 60. What is the value? See here, cos 45 degrees by sec 30 plus cosec 60 degrees. Once you can remember here, just now only we discussed cos 45 value is how much? 1 by root 2. Cos 45 will be 1 by root 2 by, see here, sec 30. Already you know that sec is the reciprocal of cos or not? Yes. What is the value of cos 30? Just you can remember here. What is the value of cos 30? Cos 30 value will be equal to root 3 by 2. Yes or no? Yes. Root 3 by 2. What is the reciprocal of root 3 by 2? 2 by root 3. Yes or no? Yes. You can write here 2 by root 3 plus, see here, cosec 60. First you can remember here cosec means it is the reciprocal of sin or not? Yes. What is the sin 60 value? Sin 60 value will be equal to root 3 by 2. Yes or no? Yes. Root 3 by 2. What is the reciprocal of root 3 by 2? 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. If you are any problem while remembering sec and cosec, just you can remember sin and cos only. Just you can write here reciprocal of the values, so that you will get your answer. See here, next you can simplify here 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 by, see here, both are like fractions. 2 by root 3 plus 2 by root 3, both are like or not? Yes. So that can I write here, just you can add numerators here 2 plus 2 by root 3. That means you can see here 1 by root 2 I am writing directly 1 by root 2 division. See here, 2 plus 2 is how much? 4 by root 3. Yes or no? Yes. 4 by root 3. See here 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. To replace the division with multiplication, you can just multiply with which one? Reciprocal of this 4 by root 3. What is the reciprocal of 4 by root 3? Root 3 by 4. Yes or no? Yes. Root 3 by 4. That means your answer will be equal to, here, 1 into root 3 how much? Root 3 only. By root 2 into 4 how much? 4 root 2 only. 4 root 2. This is your solution. Root 3 by 4 root 2 is your solution. See here another problem. Sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 by cot 45 plus cos 60 minus sec 30. See here, what is the value of sin 30? See here, what is the value of sin 30? Sin 30 value will be 1 by 2. Yes or no? Yes. plus tan 45. Tan 45 value is how much? 1 only. 1 minus cosec 60. Cosec means you need to remember sin 60. Sin 60 value is how much? Root 3 by 2. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2? 2 by root 3 only. 2 by root 3. Next you can see a denominator cot 45. That means cot 45 is 1 only. See here tan 45 1 means cot 45 also 1 only. Plus cos 60. Cos 60 value will be 1 by 2 minus sec 30. Here sec 30. Sec 30 value is how much? Sec 30 means you need to remember here cos 30. What is the value of cos 30? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Now you need to here simplify 2 by root 3. See, you need to remember here simplify. Once you can observe here 1 by 2, here also 1 by 2, here 1, here also 1, here minus 2 by root 3, here also minus 2 by root 3. That means the numerator and the denominators are both are same or not? Yes or no? Both should be same or not? Yes. If you are simplifying, you will get both should be same answers. So that you can cancel it. See here. You can cancel the both numerator and denominator one time. That means your answer will be how much? 1 by 1. That means your answer will be equal to 1 only. Your answer is how much? 1 is your solution of the given problem. See here second question. Choose the right option and justify your choice. The question is 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. First you need to simplify it. Then you can check the value is equal to sin 60. Sin 60 means it is equal to how much? Root 3 by 2. Is it equal to root 3 by 2? Or cos 60. Cos 60 means 1 by 2. Yes or no? You can write here. Is it equal to 1 by 2? Or tan 30. Tan 30 means it is equal to how much? 1 by root 3. Yes or no? Is it equal to 1 by root 3? Sin 30. Sin 30 means it is 1 by 2. Which is equal to the given solution. First you can simplify it. See here I am simplifying. First you can check here. Solution to tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. See here 2 into tan 30 value is how much? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 by, see here 1 plus tan 45. Tan square 45 means tan 45 value how much? 1 only. 1 square only you can write here. See, that means you can write here 2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 square is how much? 1 only. You can write here 1. That means you can write here 2 into root 3 means 2 by root 3 only. 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 is how much? 2 only. Yes or no? Yes. You can write here C is equal 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. See here division. To replace division with multiplication, we need to multiply with reciprocal of 2. What is the reciprocal of 2? 1 by 2. See here 2 cancel. You are getting 1 into 1 how much? 2 1 ja 2 1 ja. That means see 1 into 1 1 only. Here root 3 into 1 root 3 only. See here 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Your solution is how much? 1 by root 3. Sin 60 is how much? Root 3 by 2. Yes or no? It is root 3 by 2. Here cos 60 means it is how much? 1 by 2. Here tan 30 means it is equal to how much? 1 by root 3. Sin 30 is equal to how much? 1 by 2. See, your answer is equal to 1 by root 3. That means which option is correct answer? Just you can see. Which option? Is A, B, C, D. Which option is correct answer? C only. That means your answer is tan 30. Your answer should be tan 30 is equal to, you can write here tan 30. That means your answer is equal to how much? C is the correct answer. C is the choice. Your correct answer C is the answer of the given question. Just you can write here C is your solution. See here, next question. Here also you can choose the right option. You can choose the right option and justify your choice. See here, 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 minus tan square 30 is it equal to cos 60 or sin 60 or tan 60 or sin 30. First, are you know what is the value of cos 60? 1 by 2. Yes or no? It is equal to 1 by 2. Tan 60 value will be equal to root 3. Sin 60 value will be equal to root 3 by 2. Your sin 30 value will be equal to 1 by 2. You need to remember all the values 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 only. See, first you can simplify here 2 into tan 30. Tan 30 value will be equal to how much? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 by 1 minus tan square 30. Tan square 30 means just you can first of all write tan 30. What is the tan 30 value? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. You can write here square. Tan square 30 means tan 30 whole square. See here, you can write there. See here, 2 into 1 by root 3 means 2 1 2. 2 by root 3. Can I write here 2 by root 3 or not? Yes. 2 by root 3 by, see, 1 minus 1 square is how much? 1 only. By root 3 whole square means square root will be cancelled. You will get is how much? 3 as your solution. See, yes or no? Yes, see here, 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 by, see, here 1 minus 1 by 3 means what is the LCM of 3 and 1? See, 1 means you can write here 1 by 1. Yes or no? Yes. 1 and 3 LCM is how much? 3 only. Yes or no? Yes. You can do cross multiplication or LCM. 3 1 3 minus 1 1 1. Yes or no? Yes. So that you can write there here 2 by root 3 by, see here 2, 3 minus 1 is how much? 2 only. 2 by 3. Yes or no? Yes. So that you can write here 2 by root 3. See, to replace the division with multiplication, you need to multiply with reciprocal of 2 by 3. What is the reciprocal of 2 by 3? 3 by 2. Yes or no? 3 by 2. So that once you can see here, you can simplify. Is it possible? 2 1 ja? Here also 2 1 ja. Yes or no? Yes. See here, 3 by root 3. 3 by root 3 means it is equal to root 3 or not? Yes. 3 by root 3 means it is equal to root 3. Yes or no? Yes, root 3. See here, root 3. Which is the correct answer? Root 3 means it is option C or not? Yes. Your option will be C is your solution. C is your solution. Root 3 means, is it okay? See here, root 3 means it is the C is your correct choice. See here, third question. Evaluate sin 60 into cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60. First you can find it the value. What is the value of sin 60 plus 30 degrees? What can you conclude? So that first I am here finding the value of sin 60. You can write here sin 60 degrees into cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60 degrees is equal, see, sin 60 value is equal to how much? Root 3 by 2. Yes or no? Root 3 by 2 into cos 30 value is how much? Root 3 by 2 only. Root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 value is how much? 1 by 2 into cos 60 value is how much? 1 by 2 only. Yes or no? Yes. See here, root 3 into root 3, you will get 3 only by 2 2 ja how much? 4 plus 1 1 ja how much? 1 only. 2 2 ja how much? 4. See here, both are like fractions, so that you can add the numerator 3 plus 1. You can add here 3 plus 1. It is equal to how much? 4 by 4. That means it is equal to 1. Yes or no? Yes. See here, very easy problems. Just you can substitute the values. You can simplify. You will get answers. See one more question. You can find the value of sin of 60 plus 30. You can write here we need to find sine of 60 plus 30 degrees is equal to sine of 60 plus 30 is equal to how much? 90 degrees. Sine 90 is equal to how much? Sine 90 degrees 1 only. Yes or no? It is 1. See here sine 60 plus 30 is equal to 1. Here sine 60 into cos 30 plus sine 30 into cos 60 is equal to also 1. That means both the expressions are equal or not? Yes or no? Yes, you can write there. Therefore, sine 60 plus 30 degrees is equal to, you can write here, sine 60 into cos 30, sine 60 into cos 30 plus sine 30 into cos 60. See here, from this expression we can conclude two formulas which are very useful. See here, just you can assume here 60 degrees as A, 30 degrees will be B only. For example, we can consider here 60 value as A, here 30 will be B. Just you can write their formulas. Sine of A plus B, sine of A plus B is equal to sine A cos B. Yes or no? Yes, here A, B. A will be 60, B will be 30. See here, A will be 60, B will be 30. See here, sine A cos B. You can write here sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. Cos A sin B. You need to remember this formula. Sine of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. If it is addition, for example, if it is subtraction, how can you represent here? Sine of A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Cos A sin B. In that question they are asking what you can conclude. See here, these two formulas are, we can conclude here sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin of A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B.
Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the complete exercise videos in our class 10th maths playlist videos.